Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to print your design directly from Canva. Whether it's a document, a flyer, or a presentation, we will walk you through how to get it print ready in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, open the project that you want to print. Click the Share button in the upper right corner. Then click Download. From here, we need to select PDF Print, so the file is ready for printing. Once we select PDF Print, we just need to click Download. This is free and without a watermark when using a regular Canva account. After downloading, we need to find the file we just downloaded from Canva. Then, double-click the file to open it. We can now print it by clicking Print in the upper right corner. Once we click that, just confirm the print and our Canva project will start printing. And that's how we print a document from Canva quickly and easily.